Find out how you can make a passive monthly income from Amazon Fire Stick. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about a pretty cool product, program, whatever you want to call it. It's called TV Boss Fire. Now, this is like a follow-up product to a product called TV Boss. All right, I heard about this maybe a year and a half ago. TV Boss came out and it basically taught people how to create their own channels on Roku. If you're not familiar with Roku, it's just like another streaming app. It's getting more and more popular. I'm sure you probably heard of Roku. If not, look it up. But anyway, the original course taught people how to make money from this Roku app. And it showed how to create your own channel and actually start getting ad money sent to you, by running ads on your videos. It also showed you how you can actually get other businesses and sell advertisements for other businesses. It also taught you how to sell channels to other businesses. So it gave you a few different income streams with this original course. So they just released a follow-up course called TV Boss Fire, which basically just focused on how to do the same thing with the Amazon Fire Stick. And in my opinion, the Amazon Fire Stick is more popular at this time I'm doing this video. It's more popular than even Roku is, right? So the original TV Boss program basically was kind of being marketed as a YouTube alternative when it came to making, ad money, right? Because so many people struggle with, getting paid on YouTube ads. This was kind of marketed as an alternative, to that, and just giving you different income streams. Now, I actually spoke with a guy on the phone who actually bought the TV Boss, the original course, all about Roku, and he genuinely liked it. He told me I didn't get the course, whatever. Almost did, but I'm doing so many other things. I'm just like, but I actually talked to this guy and he really liked it. He was doing it. He necessarily didn't want his own channel on Roku. His whole thing was to sell channels to local businesses, which you can do, right? And he was planning on selling these channels for like $5,000 to $10,000. No joke, right? So I think this could be huge for people that's kind of now keep in mind, I always say with projects like this, if you want to jump into it, great. I'm always about trying different stuff, but this is one of the things that you should be willing to put some time in. If you decide to check out this TV Boss Fire, be ready to put some time in, like zone in on it, because I think it does have some really good earning potential. Now, of course, I got a link in the description. You can check it out right now for yourself and see what you think. Read the sales page, look at some of the testimonials, and just see what you think. I think it has some good potential. I'm trying to think what else. Very low entry fee. From what I've seen, they have like 3 packages, and I think for the ultimate package, it'll be $37 a month, or you can start for I think like $17, whatever, just to get a one channel set up and put ads on it and everything like that. So you can check it out. I'm trying to think what else about this program. Let me think. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, like I said, if you're watching this and you're looking for a YouTube alternative and you just want something to create your own channel, because you literally can create, the same content that you put on YouTube, you can create something similar on the Amazon Fire Stick and Roku. So you might want to look at that if you're struggling with YouTube ads. All right. So there you have it, guys. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. If you like it, give it that thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, because you obviously see I'm bringing that content. All right. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.